Good morning. Hey, you guys. It's Wednesday, and yesterday on Instagram, I kind of shared a little bit about my morning routine and how I've had a morning routine for years. But in the summertime, I feel like I got a little bit away from it, staying up later, getting up later, and I'm really trying this week to kind of get back on track. And one of the things I shared in that video was my smoothie. And so Leanne had asked if I would share the recipe, and I almost just directed her to our recipe book. So if you don't know, there is a huge recipe book. It's in the files of this page. So just click on files and you'll see it. It's awesome. You could print it out. It's from 2020, but I would still say a lot of those recipes are still a lot of my go-tos. But my green smoothie has slightly changed, and so I thought, well, let me just do a new video of that. So I have all the ingredients out, so I'm gonna flip it and show you what I have, and I will go through that. So first, you just want protein. We've switched to this one. We're kind of trying out this brand because it's super clean ingredients. That's something we're really focusing on this year. So I like vanilla, but any sort of protein. And then the PB2 is my second ingredient. Almond milk, again, any kind of milk, but this is what I like, the unsweetened almond milk. And then this is something as well I've been trying to add to my smoothie. So collagen peptides, we get this at Costco. It's got 20 grams of collagen per serving, which is really good. Again, real clean ingredients. And then I add spinach and I add half a banana. So I followed for nutrition for a while, kind of the Fab Four lifestyle. There's books you can read. Sometimes they're back here, but I don't think they are. But just look up Fab Four, Kelly LeVeque. She has 2 books. I read those again a few years ago when I was trying to figure out my own journey with nutrition. And I love it. So basically your goal is to keep your meals balanced with those 4 things. So fat, fiber, protein, and greens. So that's kind of how I've continued to base my meals, is trying to keep all those 4 ingredients. I don't always get the green part, but I just try to think like fiber, vegetables. Hey, Suze, good morning. So this is how I make my smoothie. Let me share it with you. So I have the magic bullet here. Okay, I love this because you put all your ingredients in the cup and then, oh, I didn't put the top, but that's okay. And then you whiz it up and then you drink out of this cup. So it's one less step and one less dish. So I add here, let's see. I usually do this much, okay? And then 1 scoop of protein here. So again, big scoop. This has 25 grams. So when you're looking for protein, I always just say, look at ingredients. And you don't want to list a mile long. So obviously we love Avocare's products. So we've used those for years and years and years. This one's something new. So this one just has whey protein and that's about it. So super simple. Hi, Jill. Lori's on. Happy vacation, you guys. Oh, looks so fun. Okay, the next thing I've changed out of my smoothie is, I used to do peanut butter. I love peanut butter, but I've learned I like to eat my peanut butter instead of drink it because it's so good. So I switched to PB2. It's gonna lower the calories a little bit, and but still give you the peanut butter flavor. And so again, you can get this anywhere. I think we get that at Costco, but you can also get it at Kroger. Send me bubble wrap. Have you already fallen in Florida? You're a mess. So 2 tablespoons of PB2 with this collagen. So this is something, again, I've just started to add. I will add it to my Spark sometimes in the morning. You can add it to your coffee in the morning. But collagen is something that we start to lose as we age. And so this is a great way to get this in every single morning. 2 scoops of this has 20 grams of collagen peptides. So this is gonna help your hair, your skin, your nails, all of that, because as we start to break down collagen, this will help replenish it. Then I do, all right, Lori, we're gonna have to hear the story of how you fell already in Florida. Yesterday in class when we were planking, we decided we needed to call you and have a story read to us or tell us a story, so we should have called you. Half a banana, I personally just do half a banana. You can do a full banana. But again, I also love my carbs, and so I would rather just do half for the flavor of it, just to sweeten it a bit, and then have more yummy carbs later. A little bit of ice because my banana's not frozen, so a little bit of ice cubes here just to thicken it, and then you will put the rest, a big handful of spinach. So spinach, again, some people will be like, why would you, that's disgusting, right? Big handful of spinach, I'm dropping it, shove it in there, and you literally do not taste this. See if it doesn't overflow. But it's gonna get you the fiber and the greens, and it gives it that green tint. This is why it's a green smoothie, is that there's spinach in it. You don't need a ton. If you had a bigger blender, you could throw more, but this is what, I just shove it in there. And then I'll put the little top on it, whiz it up, and then I just sip on it. So that is my green smoothie right now. Again, you can add things to it. You can take stuff away. What I try to do, again, is manage my blood sugar. So if you put a ton of fruit, if you fill it up with fruit, that's fine. It's healthy, it's great, but it's gonna spike your blood sugar versus having some protein, some carbs, some fat. And then that way it's more balanced so that you stay full for longer, so you don't get into that starving, raging, I gotta eat everything mode until your next meal or snack. So let me know if you try it. Let me know if you want other recipes, any meal prep tips. We do meal prep every week. I can share how we do it, what we do, how I plan out our meals, meal prep, all of that. So let me know what nutrition videos you guys would like to see from me, and I'll share them with you, all right? Have the best day. Lori, you be careful. You stay on the sand, okay? Love you guys.